Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bonitaire 12-inch battery-operated floor fan. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get it out of the box, it does have an easy to grasp handle. That we'll kind of see in a second. Pieces that you will need to remove. Now this is adjustable, so it can kind of go all different directions, and as mentioned, it's got a nice little handhold here. There is a power kit, and I'm not sure, I think yeah, these are just going to clip right onto the edge here. Make sure that you can tighten in place. So just a couple of these that you'll literally just put onto the bolt at the end, and that'll help you kind of tighten so that it doesn't move as quickly or easily when the fan starts blowing. We'll have our power charging cable. Close here so you can see it. That's going to go into the back, and we'll find it somewhere on the side here. Hoping you can see that. And that'll just plug right in, and then we'll have, hoping you can see this. You'll have some different levels. You'll turn it on. It's already charged up with some juice, and different variations. You'll have a battery that kind of dictates exactly how much fan speed you're getting. Give you an idea on the battery power here, or on the fan speed. Nothing overwhelming. Plenty to kind of fill this up, but it's not going to be the biggest thing in the world, but it is going to be plenty of nice fresh air. So we're going to test this out on a ball field actually. Let you kind of see what it looks like on a bench, so we get a good feel for it. But the first thing I'm going to do is charge this up. It looks like it's pretty charged up already, but we're going to get it even more charged to its max and go from there. I love the ability to just not have to plug this in at all and have a good quality floor fan. So we'll take it from here. All right, so when it is fully charged, I don't know if you just saw it go out or not, but it will go out. So I'm actually just going to unplug it, and I'm going to run it and see how long it lasts. I'm going to put it up at high just so I can start the timer here, and we're going to go fully load. I know I'm in the dark, and I apologize, but this is just a good spot for me. I'll probably move it. Well, might as well move it right now just so you can see it. We are at full blast, so we're going to just go ahead and run it for as long as at least 3 hours just to see where the battery is. So it's been 3 hours, and as you can see, there's about 40% left. It's on the highest setting, so I'm pretty impressed by the battery, considering how tiny it is, to be rocking it on high for 3 hours and still at 40%. So definitely a value, and I'll finish just showing you one more video. Alright, so I know I said I was going to use this on the softball field, but I've actually started using this, as you may see here, on my back porch. It's not all covered, and we can kind of roast in the sun, and because of the way it's over here, I don't necessarily have an umbrella set up. So I've actually been using this for two purposes. One, it's great because it's blowing all the bugs away. Like, moving air keeps bugs away pretty nicely, but more importantly, just sitting down here allows me to kind of just throw this thing on and have a really nice consistent breeze. So I absolutely love it. So I'm going to actually probably get a second one for the softball fields because I'm going to be using this here. So to me, definitely worth buying. Love the adjustability again of being able to kind of just unscrew these on the sides here and then just turn it however I need to. And then it's just got a killer battery. So definitely worth it. Hopefully this review's helped you, and thanks for watching.